In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can access your projects and what they're allowed to do, so your work stays organized and secure. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your workspace. It's best to do this on a full screen so you can see all the options clearly. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This shows all the projects you have access to. Choose the project you want to manage permissions for and open it. At the top of the project, in the header next to the project name, click the Share button. This is your control center for who's in the project and what they can do. A Share Project panel will open on the right. From here, you can add members by typing their name or email. As you type, Asana will suggest people from your organization. This is a quick way to bring collaborators into the project without sending separate messages. Keep in mind that adding someone gives them access to this specific project, so only include people who need it. Next, set permissions for each member. You'll see options like Can Edit, Can Comment, and Can View. Can Edit is for people who need to create or modify tasks and update project details, such as due dates, assignees, and sections. Use this for project managers or teammates actively building the workflow. Can Comment allows people to participate in discussions without changing tasks. This is great for stakeholders or reviewers who need to give feedback without altering the plan. Can View is the most restrictive and is ideal for viewers who only need visibility, like executives or external partners who just need to stay informed. A helpful rule of thumb is to grant the least amount of access needed to do the job, and you can always adjust as roles change. If someone no longer needs access, remove them by clicking the X next to their name. This immediately revokes their access to the project, while keeping all existing tasks and comments intact. If you need broader access control across teams or your entire organization, click your profile photo and go to the admin console, if you have admin rights. From there, you can manage roles and permissions organization-wide, ensuring consistency across multiple projects and teams. That's it for managing permissions in Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.